Okay, I haven't worn my hair curly in years because my hair wasn't curling. I'm going to show you what my hair looked like last year versus now. The only thing that I have done differently is been consistent using my GROW Scalp Oil, and I use it on a weekly basis, and my curls went from this to this. I mean, I have not seen my hair this curly since I was a child, to be honest with you, because I've been straightening my hair for so many years that my hair, granted, there are some pieces that need a little more loving, but look at this. Look at this. I'm in shock and awe of myself because I'm the one who created the product. I don't put anything in my hair. I wash it, I clarify it, I condition it, and then I usually after put a heat protectant, and then I blow dry my hair and I use a flat iron. That is it, besides oiling my scalp before I shampoo my hair. Other than that, I don't use any gels, mousses, hairsprays, any of that. Nothing in my hair. So the only thing that has changed was me using the scalp oil consistently, and I've been using it for the past 2 years. My hair has completely changed its texture. I don't even know what is happening right now. I was just using the GROW oil to grow my hair out and my edges. So it grows your hair and it does this. I'm magic.